Are you ready to answer my questions?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will ask the question. Very easy questions I will ask and give me the answer loudly. Okay. So my first question, who will answer about Sant Namdev? Sant Namdev, listen. I'm asking about Sant Namdev and his contribution and little bit knowledge about Sant Namdev. Who will answer? Yes. What's your name? Sharik. Sharik, answer loudly, huh? Sant Namdev.
Sant Namdev, a great son, laid the foundation of Warkari movement. He was versatile, Kirtankar and skilled organizer. He traveled village to village to spread the Bhagavad Dharma and equality. He built a memorial for Sant Chokamela at Pandharpur.
Okay, very good, very good. Anyone else will say about this Sant Namdev? You? Very good, bacha. Say again, huh?
Sant
Very good,
Namdev.
Sharik. Very good. Yes.
Sant Namdev, a grandson led the foundation of the Vikri movement. He was a Vishli Kirtankar and Sri Krishna. He composed many abhangas, devotional variants. He traveled from village to village in Maharashtra to speak message, Bhagavad and equality. He blew a Maria Sant Chokomela and Pudri.
Pandharpur. Very good. Good answer. Little bit confusion, but very good. You are daring. You have a little good dare, huh? Okay. Yes, Sharik, please, you go. You also go. Because Sharik getting late, you also getting late. Keep on moving. Okay. Come forward. Come forward. Yes. Let me ask one question to Abdul Rahman. Abdul Rahman, yes, stand up. Abdul Rahman, can you tell me what is Budruk?
The Budruk is
The terms Budruk
the terms Budruk
and
and
Khurd
Khurd were used to different
to differentiate
and
between two village parts of
village
in.
in Maharashtra.
Okay, very good. Good job. Keep it up. You tried and you given the answers. Well done. Sit down. Yes. What's your name, dear? Loudly.
Ali Mehndi.
Ali Mehndi. Say again, what is Budruk?
The temple,
The terms.
the term Budruk and Khud were used differentiate between two part of village in Maharashtra.
Okay, very good. Yes. Noman, say what is Budruk?
The terms Budruk and Khurd were used differentiate between two places of the village,
Between two?
between two parts of the village in Maharashtra.
Okay, very good. Yes, you. Can you say what is Budruk?
The Budruk and Khurd were used to
Differentiate.
between two parts of a village in Maharashtra.
Okay, very good. Yes. Next question. Okay, what is Balut? Who will tell me the Balut? Yes. Loudly, huh? What is Balut?
In the pre-Shivaji Maharaj time, there were various artisans
In a village?
in a village. They had hereditary right regarding their occupation.
Okay. Anyone? You want to say the same answer, Balut? Well done. Keep it up, Sajjad.
Balut in the pre-Shivaji time, there were various artisans in a village. They had hereditary right regarding their occupation.
It is hereditary. It is hereditary. Regarding their occupation. Yes, anyone here wants to say balut? Yes, say please. What is balut? Sit down, dear.
In the pre-Shivaji times, there were various artisans in a village. They had hereditary rights regarding their occupation.
Okay, hereditary regarding their
Occupation.
well done. You said very nice, clean and clear. Huh? Yes, anyone? Say again, please.
In the pre-Shivaji time, there were various
Artisans.
artisans. Their village in artisans village had hereditary right regarding to organizing.
Regarding to their occupation.
Occupation.
Yes. Okay. Yes, say again about the balut. What is balut?
In the pre-Shivaji time, there are many artisans in a village had their hereditary to their occupation.
Okay. Nice. Sit down. Okay, who will tell me the people from Africa who had settled along the coastline? People along the coastline. Yes.
The city of Africa.
The city of Africa. Yes, the people who traveled from the settled along the Konkan coastline. What do we call? City of
City of Africa.
Say again.
The city of Africa.
Yes, the people who travel and settle to the Konkan satellite. What do you call?
The city of Africa.
Loudly.
The city of Africa.
Okay. Okay. Where was Shivaji born? Where was Shivaji born?
Sir.
Where was Shivaji born? Yes.
Shivaji Maharaj was born in Shivneri Fort in near Juna in Pune.
Always in. What in? Say proper.
Shivaji Maharaj was born in Shivneri Fort in Juna near Juna in Pune.
Okay, you have said but with mistakes, not with correction.
Shivaji Maharaj was born in the Shivneri
And
Fort
or at. Yes.
Shivaji Maharaj was born at the Shivneri Fort near Junar in Pune.
Near Junar. Near Junar in.
Junar in Pune.
Okay, very good. Sit down. Okay. Now tell me the Mawal region. Why was Swaraj Foundation laid in Mawal region? Why was Swaraj Foundation laid in the Mawal region? With few points are there. Who will tell me the answers? Shivaji started his work of founding Swaraj in Mawal region. What is the answers? Mawal region in Sahyadri was in Pune Jagir. The answer is that. Nobody learned. Okay, Sant Namdev. Anyone is ready to answer about Sant Namdev? Yes, please.
Sant Namdev, a great son, led the foundation of the Warkari movement. He was
a versatile.
He was the versatile Kirtankar and skilled organizer. He composed many Abhanga devotional verses. He traveled from village to village.
He traveled.
He traveled from village to village in Maharashtra. To spread message of Bhagavad Dharam and equality. He built a
Memorial.
The Sant Chowkamela at Pandrapur.
Okay, very good. Good answer. Your words clear, pronunciation is clear, prepositions are okay. Nice answers. Keep it up. Okay. So students, you have learned hard, you study hard. है ना? 2 hours you studied and you have learned few answers. Well done. Keep it up. And what we have learned that if you study hard, you will get reward, you will get respect, you will get lots of honors, pride, appreciation, applause. Okay, so please keep learning, don't give up, and get motivated at your private time, at your home time, in your that access free time. Study, don't give up, don't play, don't waste your time, keep learning. Inshallah you will get lots of success in your future. And after all, you got some happiness that you have given some answers. Getting the happiness?
Yes, sir.
Your face shows that you are happy. Am I right? See that Abdul Rahman also answered. First time he answers, but good answers he is given. Naman also answers. Raza, you also answered. That boy, Farhan also answered. This, what's your name?
Khan Zibran.
Gibran. Shan, Ehtisham answered. Lots of people here. Mehdi Ali, Ali Mehndi, Sajjad, and this boy. All answers. So keep it up, keep learning, and inshallah Allah Ta'ala will give you lots of success in your future. Now you will go at your home, and tomorrow go to the school first, give your attendance, and we will come back here with geography and civics. Chalo, Allah Hafiz, bye bye, tata, see you inshallah tomorrow.